Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi, I'm Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and type Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Now open it and tap at the three lines at the bottom right corner. Then choose Settings, click I accept and customize your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. Select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!